Welcome. Welcome to day 486. Today, we're going to go over three universal principles. And the reason why I want to go over those three universal principles is that we can use them to attain our dreams. Those are the principles that successful people use. And there are many principles, of course, but we will only cover three. And the first one is about your thoughts. Your thoughts is your reality. You become what you think about the most. If you think successful thoughts, then you will be successful. And if you think how you can be successful, then you will have those ideas with you that will allow you to become successful. However, if you have thoughts about failure, if you think about those bad times that you had in the past and you blame everybody, you're having negative thoughts. And what's going to happen? The result will be failure because that's what you're thinking. You're not thinking about success. So, those thoughts that you have about bad events that you had, about people that have not helped you, and about the grudges that you still hold within you, then that will lead you to failure. The other principle that we have is that everything happens for a reason, and that reason is to serve us. And an example would be that we want to achieve a dream. However, it takes too long, or we might fail. But we might fail for a reason. And that reason will be that might be that you're following the wrong dream. And that failure will allow you to see that. And then you will continue in a new path for a new dream. There are all that happens is for a reason. And that reason is to serve you. Just remember that. And the last fundamental principle is your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind works for you 24 hours a day for 7 consecutive days. So it's always working for you. We must use it, but we must also be very attentive because whenever we're thinking about thoughts, success, then it will tell you how to be successful. And you have to listen to it. And sometimes your uh, result or your answer to a question that you've been looking for comes in spur of the moment. You never know when it might come. So be very attentive for it. And as soon as you get something, write it down. And if you're driving, then pull over and write it down. And because you're going to forget it. Whatever it is that comes from your subconscious mind, write it down. It might be that you're talking to some people and then you see somebody else and you have the urge to talk to them, to introduce yourself. Follow that urge that you feel. It's part of an order that you're getting from your subconscious mind. With these three principles, you will be successful. These are the principles that are used by successful people. Why not use them ourselves? Thank you for listening. See you again tomorrow. Stay proactive, following these fundamental principles. Goodbye.